nothing really to break down. The markets didn't really do much of anything today. I guess I focused on the NASDAQ all day. S&P actually did pretty well. So we gapped down, actually hit that type 1, got a nice little bounce there. Did that do what? Okay, so kind of. Wow. I guess we'll look for sellers and excuses for sellers at this next zone. We don't really have anything. What's tomorrow? Tuesday, a bunch of people talking. Yeah. No real movers there. Expected move, nothing to talk about there. All right, so NASDAQ. You guys saw, I went long with Cody this morning. Well, Cody actually took the type 1, type 2, right? So it bounced. He had a little bit better. Then he got back in after getting tagged out. So this is where I got in. I think he got in and out a couple times with these red candles. I had my stop right here. I don't like stopping at the type 1. I was just on the 15-minute time frame, just kind of stop below this candle, because what we had seen right here was, at the time, literally just that. And I was like, yeah, we'll start 2 candles back. Just kind of really based out. I was really waiting for the break above this. Once I was watching that, I was like, okay, we're good. I'll at least bump my stop up, which is ridiculous. Didn't really do anything. Just moved up to here. Kind of waited out. And I told you guys later, I'm trailing it 2 candles back. Once we had based out over here, I want to say it should have been this downturn that got me. I want to say it was right here. Yeah, because we were 2 candles back. Those 2 had closed. I had my stop right here. And then this candle right here should have been the one that got me. I am up right now because I just got in right as this was not, let's go back to the 2-minute time. Remember, say that was not there when I got in. So I'm up, same stop really, as before. My stop's going to be right here, right below this red candle. So we'll see where we're at. I was looking for a breakout up, which we're kind of getting right now. We'll see. Honestly, I don't expect to probably make anything on this. What I'll do is I'll probably be up before I go to bed, and I'll put my stop in the green by a couple bucks, and it'll probably tag out. It really is that simple. For everyone that's going to ask, what did you see in the markets? That's what I saw. That's it. Yeah. Just kind of playing that trend. All they did was grind up today. There was just a whole lot of nothing. Grandpa Dow kind of at the type 2. Can we get this just to break down a little bit? Russell also. I don't know if we have any reasons to buy. We just don't have any reasons to sell. And I guess that's why we continue to grind up. The whole U.S. getting downgraded just wasn't jack. Zones on Microsoft. There they are. Just not loading? I know what she wants. Future zones. Predict the future. Why do we not move those up? Did we not break down Microsoft last night? Let's get to the daily situation. So we gapped down into here. So nothing but sellers right there. And we can kind of say nothing right here, but sellers. That's probably all we have. Because I think that's... Yeah, we could probably talk about it. Maybe even a speed bump zone. And I'll chart it out. Kind of not a lot to go on. Kind of right there. I don't know if Microsoft's the ticker you want to be really worried about speed bump zones on a smaller time frame. But the only zone I can really add is we'll call this a zone for now, just because that's really all we know is supply ahead.